Welcome to our channel. Learning to edit photos professionally using GIMP, the free and open source alternative to Photoshop, gives you powerful image editing capabilities without any subscription costs. Step 1. Download and install GIMP from the official website, ensuring you get the latest version with all the newest features and improvements. Step 2. Open your photo in GIMP by dragging the image file into the program window or using the File Open menu. Step 3. Adjust basic exposure and lighting using the Levels or Curves tool found under the Colors menu, improving the overall brightness and contrast. Step 4. Enhance colors by adjusting hue, saturation, and lightness to make your image more vibrant and visually appealing. Step 5. Crop and straighten your image using the Crop tool to improve composition and remove distracting elements from the edges. Step 6. Remove blemishes or unwanted objects using the Clone tool or Healing brush, which allows you to sample nearby areas and blend them seamlessly. Step 7. Sharpen your image using the Unsharp Mask filter found under Enhance menu, being careful not to over-sharpen, which can create artifacts. Step 8. Apply selective adjustments by using layer masks to modify specific areas of your image without affecting the entire photo. Step 9. Add creative effects such as vignettes or color grading to develop your unique editing style. Step 10. Export your edited photo in the appropriate format, using JPEG for sharing online or PNG for preserving transparency and maximum quality. Your professionally edited photo is ready to impress. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.